Most homes have 4 problems. It's not always a cleaning problem. Sometimes it's a habit problem, sometimes it's a system problem, sometimes it's a clutter problem. This is a system problem. If your flat surfaces like your island or nightstand are getting piled with clutter, or you're constantly losing or searching for things, this video is for you. I've been cleaning houses for over 30 years, and this is one of the simplest fixes I use. This one micro system fixes it, and the best part is you don't have to change anything. It's so simple. All you have to do is land it. That's why I call it land. Locate a natural drop. This is what happens when we walk in the door. We find the first flat surface and we put our stuff there. But that develops clutter and you're just gonna have to move it, right? So no, let's not do that. Let's land it. I'm gonna show you a couple of ways that I use land. So when I come in from the garage, I naturally change my shoes into my slippers, and right there they are. And I can put them in the drawer. My husband puts them in the drawer, but these I use regularly, so there they are. Then I naturally drop my jacket on a hook, and this keeps my jacket in the same place and not on the floor. Use this for your backpack or anything else, just apply a hook. Also here, if you have a basket, just add a basket. You can put your keys there, add a little simple hook. You can change, so always think about baskets and hooks. But I like my stuff upstairs, so this is my drop zone for my purse. And my basket, I put my headphones and my keys, and I'm always able to find my purse and my keys right there. Then I take my iPad that I use all the time, and I go ahead and place it on the charger. I know how to find my iPad, and it's charged, and these are my drop zones where I naturally walk in and drop it. This is the nightstand. This is where I naturally use this stuff every evening. I could just normally just set it like this, and it looks like a clutter mess. You simply add a dish. Now, I like to put my earrings, all my earrings and little clips, whatever, in, because I just take them off at night. I just get too tired, I pass out. So they're always in a little bowl. When I look for my earrings and my hair ties, I know they're in the bowl. So at night, when I go lay down and I use this, I just set it in the tray like this. Now, you may need to experiment a little bit how this works for you and adjust it, but look at it was before and look how it looks after. It's much more peaceful looking. And in the bathroom, I do the same thing. If I have to put it in the drawer, it's not going in the drawer. It's too much for me when I'm busy. I put it in a little basket, brush my hair. It goes directly into the container. And for my hairspray and all those products like that I use every day, instead of just setting it on the counter like this, I have a basket. So this not only makes it look nice and neater, but you know where to find your stuff all the time. So you just use it, and I use a tray, and it naturally drops right down in the tray. Yes, this works for kids and your husband's stuff too. They know how to drop it in a basket. Oh, bonus tip. For those quick cleanups, this makes it easier too, because you don't have to move all those products. You just move one thing over, you clean, and move it back. Saves time cleaning too. See, you didn't have to fix a thing. You didn't have to try harder. And maybe it's not a cleaning problem. A lot of times it is a system problem. Hey, if you liked this video and you found it helpful, will you hit the like and subscribe? It's really my mission to put women back on the to-do list and make their homes easier so they can live more and clean less. And tell me in the comments what problem you struggle with the most that keeps piling up in your house, and I'll be back next week to show you how to clean it.